Daily household chores vocabulary. Make the bed. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Clean the window. Clean the window. Do the dusting. Do the dusting. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Feed the dog. Feed the dog. Feed the cat. Feed the cat. Wash the car. Wash the car. Tidy up the room. Tidy up the room. Do the gardening. Do the gardening. Water the plant. Water the plant. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Iron the cloth. Iron the cloth. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Cook the meal. Cook the meal. Set the table. Set the table. Clear the table. Clear the table. Wipe off the table. Wipe off the table. Open the door. Open the door. Pick up the toys. Pick up the toys. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. Move the furniture. Move the furniture. Fix the roof. Fix the roof. Fix the tap. Fix the tap. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. Set the table. Set the table. Turn off lights. Turn off lights. Welcome Kids Open Window channel. Do like and subscribe.